Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two top-notch dash cameras. On the left side, we have the Phase dash cam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi, and on the right side, we have the Meiden S7 dual dash camera. Get ready for some serious dash cam action. Let's start with the most important aspect of a dash cam, the video quality. The Phase dash cam boasts a 2K+1080P front and rear dual camera, capturing every angle in crystal clear detail. Plus, it even has a 4K Ultra HD single front camera for those who want the highest resolution possible. On the other hand, the Meiden S7 offers a 2.5K front video and FHD 1080p rear video. Both cameras provide excellent video quality, but if you're a resolution enthusiast, the Phase dash cam might be your go-to. Now let's talk about convenience. The Phase dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can download and share your videos with just a tap of a finger. It's like having your own personal social media platform for your dashcam adventures. On the other hand, the Meiden S7 features a large 3.2-inch IPS screen that provides a clear and user-friendly interface. Plus, it has an aluminum alloy case for better heat dissipation. So whether you prefer wireless control or a sleek screen, both cameras have got you covered. When it comes to night vision, both cameras excel in capturing clear footage. The Phase dash cam uses advanced technology to balance exposure in dark scenarios, ensuring you get detailed videos day and night. Similarly, the Meiden S7 features f/5 aperture and WDR technology for better color accuracy and clarity, even in low-light conditions. So whether you're driving during the day or cruising through the night, these cameras have your back. Now let's dive into the additional features that make these dash cameras stand out. The Phase dash cam offers a 24-hour parking mode that automatically switches on when your car is parked, providing continuous protection and recording any collisions or theft attempts. It also supports up to 256GB micro SD cards, giving you plenty of storage space for your footage. On the other hand, the Meiden S7 comes with a 3-axis G sensor that automatically records and saves emergency situations, and it even has a parking monitor that activates when it detects vibration. So whether you want 24/7 surveillance or advanced accident detection, both cameras have you covered. The Phase dash cam and the Meiden S7 are both incredible options for your dash cam needs. The Phase offers impressive video quality, built-in Wi-Fi, and advanced night vision, while the Meiden S7 provides excellent video resolution, a user-friendly screen, and additional features like accident lock and parking monitor. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and priorities. Remember, always do your research before making a purchase to find the perfect fit for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. And as always, stay smart and buy smart. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Buy Smart.